Hello guys, so in this video I wanted to explain how to replace the front fog light on a Nissan Micra K12. Below the front bumper you will find two Phillips screws that will open the first part of the wheel cover. I think with only these two it's possible to remove the fog light, but because I wanted to show you everything I decided to remove a little bit more further. For that, I need to remove two plastic clips on the front of the wheel cover. With the help of a small screwdriver, we can open this clip and remove it. This one is broken, but I will replace it at the end. The next one, a clip remover, I think would be the best tool to remove it. And I think 4 tools will be enough to do all the job. Below the cover you will find the fog light with just two 10mm screws, very easy to remove it, and a plug that is also easy, not tricky at all. Apparently this fog light is used on many other models like Laguna, Clio, Space, Primera, Micra, Modus and also Qashqai are using these fog lights. The light itself it's an H11 with 55 watts and it comes with red rubber that must be replaced, as you can see here on the manual that comes with the light itself. So after replace, you just need to put the light inside and it will give you a click at the end. I'm trying to do it with just one hand, it's not easy at all. Done. So now we just need to put everything back as it was. I hope you enjoy and that this tutorial have helped you anyway. Bye, take care.